Kwethu nje kwekuqala siyi-Original Football Association. Bese nakala uthi sibonga kakhulu. We extend our heartfelt gratitude ku Montigny for sponsoring Skangeni League. Nafika lapho vele bekomisile Skangeni. Bekunganalutho. Noko ke ngiyathi lothi bekucoshwe ngilabanye bethu lababuka ibhola ngalolunye ihlobo. Angibonge nje kakhulu ukuthi this time akwendeki iqala ngana sayala vele kakhulu ukuthi asesimeni kusebenzisa Facebook because isigcina sibonile lothi lo Facebook lona wabani i-technology seyaba yinhle sagcina sibonile lothi bobani but nje we decided ukuthi no let us bayakhula nabo batokubona nabo one day siyabafisela nabo ukuthi babe la ngembili la sikhona uthole sponsor ngale batokubona nabo bulukhuni bekuthola sponsor bese betangalala labalabangale babese basicosha ngandlela thide akusinto lenhle but ke angibonge kakhulu kini ma directors ema teams nasiniketa umyalo cishe kungathi yefika le kude lutho lebureportiwe ka Montigny kuscriticize sponsor. I'm very much happy naloke ukuthi ke ema games niwadlale kahle we didn't have any bad cases bekungema cases nje la administrative I think iletile lana akukabi kubi kangako lokunye ke angikusho ukuthi isigangeni producer world class referees bora fela nje labaka FIFA labaqhamuka ngalana baqhamuka khona ngala esigangeni which is it's a good thing. We might have not promoted a club but we have promoted referees. That's a good thing. We are happy about ngesigangeni sibonge nje kakhulu ka Montigny. Maybe if you take statistics because now silanga embili nje uku leadership kukhona letinye timlo lekufuna utibuyise utibutsise tibe la kuwe so that nayo negotiator wathi nje ukuthi Montigny la kangwane ngeforex njengaba beyisho induna ikutop bani ngekulethi forex la kangwane. I think this company is doing a wonderful job. It's in top 5 of the companies la letsa forex la kangwane. We talk in billions of emalangeni la lethwa ngile ngapane la kangwane. What does it say to us lesibo makhelwane netihlahla lapho benda khona lama billions kusho lokukhulu kusho ukuthi let's conserve emahlathi ukonserve emahlathi ke kuvikela vele kakhulu lomlilo umlilo can destroy so ushido ndvuna lana ukuthi ngeminyaka lothide inkampani yavala ngenxa ukuthi kwasha nje emahlathi onke and so shido maphanga lana kwekuthi ifocus nasibuka beweather simo selitulu bathi somiso kutaba nesomiso kulomnyaka kusho ukuthi busika nekuba dry taba extended ngenye sizaze sifike bo-October or November so loku kungokheleka umlilo seyathi ke September ukuthi ngilenye inyanga levame kuhusha kakhulu so kusho ukuthi thine ke asibe ngilama fire brigades sonke. I'm happy ndvuna kwekuthi this initiative mhlambe thine ke ncenye officeini besanga kayicabanga but I'm happy lokuthi khamke kuma teams ngale kwekuthi asendeni such an initiative. I don't want to preempt nivile ukuthi bathi inkampani ngeti tofundzisa angithi niyabona musi itawufundzisa abantu bethu labangakaqashwa angithi nayibona lena uma bawucima kahle umlilo uyabona ukuthi kutowekheleka ini sayibona musi awungazange uyabona lokuthi kutawokheleka ini so guys let's bring people who will be dedicated ngalento lesiyendako babe nepassion ngalento lesiyendako lokho nje kufuna sikwendisise bekunene le exercise lena nje sokuniketa insayela even ho we have to look into it ukuthi iyendeka ma clubs ngicela ukuthi sibambisane because that would be one way to create a lifetime partnership. Siyayibona Musa. Yes. Ngicabanga ukuthi kufuna sikwende kanjalo bekunene. Ngibonge kakhulu nje kuma directors ema teams. We have tried our best. We have tried to dress your teams nicely to go and play there. I know in my soccer boots, football is becoming expensive. Now it calls for a way where we see finally ke sayinaso sponsor ushito maphanga lapha ukuthi bayaqhubeka and indvuna ngalanathi ngendeka kuchinje emagiya so konke lokho kusetiphatheni kwenu kahle. Now we need to come to the clubs themselves, sibe closer and assist you. Yabona umntwana nakhula funa umbambe isandla sangasenene akhone ukuthi qathukela akhone kuphakama. So I think it's high time this time ukuthi woho athi to go a little bit further, not only the league siye teamini sisitane structure wise ukuthi nayo ni constitution, who are you labanibukela nje labanibukele team, how can we capacitate those people ukuthi kube ngcono, and how to mobilize the resources for the clubs ukuthi ibe iphila impilo yayo yonke, because an idea can live a longer time, even more than thine bantu angithi I-idea iphila isikhathi leside kunathi thine bantu. So we need to do that, but it needs a commitment. It needs a passion. I mean, bantu labane passion with football. It needs bantu labane commitment in football. Who wants to see it moving to a certain level? So kuyasizinga lokho ukuthi sikwende sesikubonile lokho ukuthi sesikwendile tinto letiningi. I think structural now it's moving okay. Kunenglo lokuhamba kahle. But ngulama teams now siyabona lokuthi le Malawi ngesiye sithi siyesibone ukuthi asosobele majaha la talatini sithi siyashankara sayibona into leti kanjani. So we need to go further guys. Site lagini vele sitame kun uplifter nibe ma team lamangcono. Lokho ke into lekufuna tendeke ezisiqhubeka sinang. Maybe ubuntu nje si congratulate umhlane we the champions, not to get ukuthi si congratulate wona wodwa onke nje ma teams la participateile bona siba congratulate ukuthi babenge ma champions, even though they didn't make it ku ma playoffs, but akulahlambele ko ngakufela. Next time I think you will make it. Ngibonge nje nalokuthi ma directors uyathi akhona lana kanzi kusekhathini emalanga kumisebenzi njena yebo, and labanye bangichaza bagqokele vele le occasion, which is good. It shows ukuthi you respect le event. It's very important. I think namontikni angiyathi bona ukuthi vele basebenza kanjani, but nje ngiyabona nabo bachazeka kubona bantu bato ba receiver beme kanjani. Okay, I will cite some few topical issues agaho bekunene. Tinto letingende kati stirele. Ngisho na Jesu nombala minene wathi noma ahamba tekalivangele lihle. Bekuba khona Sathane uyambita lapha. Manje sengikhohlwele incwadi ukuthi ngibani. Umise hlane uyomlinga nje for 40 days. Ngathi phela 40 days lapha uyamlinga ufuna kumbhekisa lena uthi uNkulunkulu ke uthi Jesu lapho lokwanela kwenda Sathane wa give up uthi uNkulunkulu akalingwa Siyayibona lento le. So kukhona ke tinto leti kufuneka ukuthi sidirele, but we should remain focused. Oh, now we are united. We are cruising. Washo Julius Malem, but we are cruising nice. I think we are cruising. All the 13 leagues, they've got sponsors. Lamanya, they even have knockouts. We are solidified now. But there has been a case, I think, topically Glamalang. Sitai ndanifaka nje ngitshele kube ne team ngale ngenoteni niyabona khona kusanga conclude ma playoffs ngala Southampton wa conclude le kanzi. They started at the same time. There've been a case ngale ngenhla whereby a team A wa protest ku team B. Wafika ekaleni team B wa wina lo ngaka protest. Wase team A lo protestile appeal that decision. Wafika ku appeal why wina le decision. Kwathiwa ngidawuthi why wina in a way because kwathiwa aku replay lokusithusile ke nathi si executive ukuthi this was an issue of a defaulter. Good defaulter is either you win or lose. At my point, there is no replay. But when they lana kwaba replay, nathi satofunza. Because etinye tinto tiyachinja. Nami nje ngisatofunza ukuthi awubuye ngani ukuthi kube replay in the case of a default. But ke sekukhona ke bantu etingakela labayenda kungathi awungithi sine hoho executive besinyanya team A or team B. No, akusithi nje kwethu nje nasu protestile is to forward it kulama judicial bodies aifa and ke kwathiwa sekuma judicial bodies awusa interfere but nathi khona lokwasethusa lapho and we wrote a letter uthi uma seyiku appeal phela asikakathi a new evidence sekuyasithusa chairman ukuthi why ufuna new evidence kanti you have to review what was done in the lower court. I was resign lo chairman wabona ukuthi ngathi maybe lalele ngwathi angathi kanjani but vele bese kukhona lo bekusithusa vele ke sibonile bese kuqhamuka ireplay ine default asethukile nanathi kwase kulathwa lenye appeal bekunene yaliteka liqala ngicabanga ukuthi kude sekuyaqhutshekwa nyalo le team lelenye mayidliwa ngelikhala yasiya withdraw kule tournament ayizange iye kuyodlala ireplay siho ke si engagele sakhuluma nayo before siqhube sifakelene vele ya maintain ukuthi no iya withdraw. There's never heard of such sisangakade ke ukuthi kutakwendekani because ngendeke football association isibude ukuthi kwendekene kule team. Why did it withdraw? And kunemthetho sevana mos. Nanikhumbula kahle constitution, fanele ifunze constitution. Ithi onke emanang labitwe football association or iho regional football association utai attend sayikhumbula mos. And then ithi utawulalela onke ma directives la show FIFA, CAF, Football Association yakithi sayikhumbula. Yes, so kuna those things, so we should be careful. Other things phela nasekude thina executive and isakucela there has to be that respect so that emasponsors njengaMonchikni atokhona kupartnerisha nathi because they know ukuthi labantu laba bayawulandzela umthetho. Siyayibona into le kanjani. Yes, and ke bekunene lenye topical issue siyaya kulomnyaka kunelikhetho angithi naye ngikhohle ku recognize vice former chairman wakaho ngu recognize former chair ngilothu ubhaqila angathi usaba naba labantu labangadi protocol ngabakuhlalisela ngembili chairman. Yeah, siya elikhetho bekunene ngiyati ke ngitanifundisa nje into lencane nakuyiwe elikhethweni. Umuntu uthenga lede kona sevana kami nibokuqaphela umuntu once nje wafaka imali lokusho ukuthi ude lento ngeke nje usuke uyesitolo uyothenga sinkwe esitolo ngeuthi kude ekhaya angithi mina unaso sinkwe ekhaya ngeke usithenga awuthi nawuthi ibhakela. So sibe careful guys. There are people who will be saying a lot of things banthenge uthathe le mali bekunene imali nami ngiyayidzinga but uyisebenzise kahle bangasiyeki bantu like I told you ukuthi now it's on the cishe so uyangakhona now sekufuna sinyukele ku second stage whereby we have to go to the clubs siwabuke ukuthi how to siwatetetisa bakhule babe ngcono bebe ne sustainable way of mobilizing resources then emva kwaloko sibe khona inange emhlangano itawuphuma sisemele iFootball Association ukuthi ikhokhe yona because kufuna siye ku Football Association iqala bese sesibuya ke nentfele sibuya nato ku Football Association sesitifaka ke kule booklet yethu kusho ukuthi ibhola idirection imele kune World Cup nabo bebaleka World Cup so nabo khona lababuye nako bato reportele executive then bese seba reportele General Assembly bese sekuyasuka ku General Assembly sekutaka ho sesiripotele General Assembly yakaho which is you clubs because phela le bhola yenu nine ma clubs ayisiyo yethu thina nje sibolekiwe letitulo angithi cha wena bakuboleke ngale nkundleni thina basiboleke ngala ebholeni so bekunene cishe ngoloko kakhulu sesiyatike lokunye ama auditors ayefike lena asitshele ukuthi imali seyahamba ngemoya lokunye nje into efuna stene bezilayisalenye tournament la sebawina 20,000 25 yo team i-account sekufuna siyiphushe kumomo wa comfort sayibona into leyo akusikahle le mali kufuna ingene ku account ye team so that itaba accounted ukuthi endekeni team wifi comfort nemntwana lofuna school fees ngane khanza seyisebenzile kanje imali ye club so into tonke into ekufuna sitilungise leto kuze ukuthi sikhule ngebhola cishe sengibonga sengigcina nje sengigcina ngema journalist sibonge kakhulu ukusikavarisha ngiyabona eDustin bela niyasebena bo times ngiyabona enamntu asivakashela emnakethu unothi wakashonga ukhona namhla mnakethu online le matima sibonge kakhulu nje bekunene kusingatha nalokuthi nje nitshela umhlaba ukuthi Montigny what is it doing ngawo especially esigangeni sibonge kakhulu engikhohlele kubonga Rafaela lapha anyway bese ngishida bo Rafaela kunamamba lapha lena ngathi baningi lapha kaMamba na chairman wakaMamba nenduna yakaMamba na Rafaela lomkhulu khamba ngala esigangeni wakaMamba no asibonge bonvulini sibonge wonke umuntu lo wende lo msebenzi ukuthi ube impumelelo ngiyambona nemnakethu lapha kakunene ngilabanye labasikhulisela bo Rafaela asibonge kakhulu kunene